Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Atlas. It has been a bit. I was actually really sick. I had food poisoning and I was not feeling well, but I am back. I'm feeling mostly better, and I want to go ahead and get into the latest news, the latest whale alerts, and let's go ahead and get started. So, first up here, we have about 22 hours ago 3,000 Bitcoin. That's almost $208 million that was transferred from an unknown wallet over to Bitfinex. Then we have $278 million worth of Bitcoin that was transferred from Bitfinex to Antpool. Then we go fast forward a little bit. We've got $266 million worth of Bitcoin from Antpool to an unknown wallet. So you guys can see that there's a bit of a pattern forming there between those. And then we move on to $105 million worth of Bitcoin from an unknown wallet to an unknown wallet. Then we have $250 million of USDC that was minted at the Treasury. Another $228 million worth of USDC that was transferred from an unknown wallet to an unknown wallet. Another unknown wallet. This is about $300 million worth of USDC. And then we go on to $407 million, $407 million again. Those are unknown wallets. $228 million worth of USDC to an unknown wallet. $300 million worth of USDC also to an unknown wallet. Then we have $100 million worth of Bitcoin that was transferred from Binance to an unknown wallet. We have $100 million worth of Bitcoin transferred from an unknown wallet to Coinbase Institutional. Almost $163 million worth of Bitcoin transferred from an unknown wallet to an unknown wallet. And then we have $356 million worth of Bitcoin, unknown wallet, $250 million worth of USDC minted to the Treasury, $99 million of Bitcoin from Coinbase Institutional to an unknown new wallet, $207 million worth of USDT transferred from an unknown wallet to Binance, almost $142 million worth of Bitcoin from Binance to an unknown wallet. And then this is a big one. Look at this. This just came in while I'm recording the video. Actually, over $295 million worth of Solana stake unlocked at an unknown wallet. Again, $295 million worth of Solana stake that was unlocked at an unknown wallet. Now let's go ahead and move on to the news. From CoinMarketCap, Ripple is joining the Singapore Central Bank's tokenization sandbox to pilot cross-border trade settlement using the XRP ledger and RLUSD stablecoin. Breaking banking giant Morgan Stanley's just announced to launch a Bitcoin ETF on New York Stock Exchange, becoming the first major U.S. bank to launch a Bitcoin ETF. Trillions incoming. White House reporter just said revised Bitcoin and crypto market structure bill could be released today. Big bank compromise said to be in line with expectations. Clarity is happening, and well, we'll see. We still have time in the day. Franklin Templeton partners with Ondo Finance to offer tokenized versions of 5 ETFs trading 24/7 via crypto wallets. Ripple joins Singapore's Monetary Authority Bloom initiative, partnering with Unlock to pilot cross-border trade settlements using XRP Ledger and RLUSD stablecoin. XRP enters top 5 crypto assets held by banks, BIS data reveals. Ripple is piloting, again, this is talking about Singapore's mass Bloom sandbox. XRP is holding near $1.41 in a tightening range with support at $1.38 and resistance at $1.42. Whale wallets accumulated roughly 40 million XRP over the past week as traders watch for a breakout towards $1.45 to $1.50. And then the Federal Reserve is set to inject $8.07 billion in liquidity into the financial system today. So a lot of money coming into play there. And then taking a look at XRP's price movement, we can see that it is sitting at about $1.41, slightly down on the day. Generally speaking, looking across the board, crypto is doing fairly well. Bitcoin's up 2.7%, Ethereum up 2.4%, BNB up 2.9%. From Crypto Bubbles, it's actually identifying XRP up about 1.5%. Solana up 3.2%. But remember, there was that huge unstake earlier. Dogecoin also up 3.4%. Cardano is also doing good, up 4.5%. And now, just taking a look at where we're at right now, we can see for XRP, we did have a red candle closure for yesterday. And on the new day here, we are just a little bit above this key Fibonacci retracement zone. The bottom wick had almost bounced off of this $1.40 level zone. So that is a very key level. Keep an eye on $1.40. And we'll keep an eye on the general market as well. So let me know what you guys think about all this. Share your thoughts with us down in the comments below. And I hope you guys are doing great. I'm sorry for the delay in my videos, but as I mentioned, I was really, really sick. And I'm feeling quite a bit better now. So thank you guys. And if you want to show extra support, you can always join me over on Patreon. I'm Crypto Atlas over there, or you can become a YouTube member. And thank you guys so much. God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.